today we're going to look at, this is day 2, we're going to see what progress the mushrooms are making. And mushrooms double in size daily, okay? So that's what we're looking for. So we'll take pull the bag off carefully and we'll see that mushrooms are doubled in size. There we go. Yeah, get it in the light here. Alright. So definitely can see that they're really developing in here. Good. Okay, so that's good progress. And just make sure to mist the inside of the bag about 2 or 3 times a day. You don't want to spray the mushrooms itself, just inside the bag, basically. Like that. Yeah, you grate the plastic on the bag and